Using Afterpay on Fashion Nova is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Afterpay on Fashion Nova. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm at the Fashion Nova website. Now here you have to select any of the product that you want to buy. Suppose I'm going to buy sweaters. I'm going to go to sweaters and I will just add any of the product into my cart or into my bag. So I've already added up a product into my bag. So I'm going to hover on my bag and I'm going to click on checkout. Now it will take me to the checkout page. Now here in the checkout option, as you guys can see, it wants you to add email for the contact purpose, and also it wants you to add delivery address. After adding these information, you will be at the payment method. Now in the payment method, as you guys can see, you cannot see Afterpay right here, just because Afterpay is not available in my region. But in your case, it should be right here. And the other thing you need to keep in mind is if your product is also eligible for installment payments. As you guys can see, this thing was only $29, and I don't think it is available for the payments in installment. But there will be some products which cost much more, and there will be an option for payment in installments. And in those products, you will easily be able to see Afterpay right here. So that's pretty much it. That's all you guys can do. I hope you guys find this video helpful.